It's raining today, and you know what that means. Ramen cravings are kicking in. What's better than ramen on a rainy day? Rich, flavorful broth and chewy noodles. Every slurp feels like a warm hug from the inside. We're starting with a splash of oil in the hot pan and twirl it around to coat the entire thing. Then moving into adding the mushroom trio, button mushrooms, earthy and familiar, wood ear mushroom, which literally look like tiny ears growing on wood, and the cutest of them all, shimeji mushrooms with their tiny caps and mild nutty flavor. Next go in some carrot juliennes, which bring the gentle crunch and beautiful pop of orange. Then we toss in some spring onions, fresh and mildly sharp. Give it a good toss, and finally a few mild green chilies. Nothing too fiery, just enough to give our cozy ramen a soft warming kick that lingers pleasantly. In goes some water to start building our cozy broth, and then we open that magic red packet, the Shin Ramen. We pour in the dried veggie mix that comes with it, bits of mushroom, green onion, cabbage, little surprises that hydrate into delicious bites. Next, we add the spicy soup base, full of the rich Korean chili flavor and savory depth. And to take it up a notch, we drop in a stock cube, because layering flavor is what makes this broth truly hit the spot. With the vegetables infusing their goodness and the soup base bringing that signature heat, this broth is already smelling like comfort in a bowl. Add in the ramen pack and let it boil for a while. In go a few dumplings for the extra bite and chewy savory goodness. They soak up the broth as they simmer, becoming little flavor bombs you'll look forward to finding in each spoonful. Then we gently slide in some silken tofu, soft, delicate and full of plant-based protein. It adds that melt-in-your-mouth texture and gives our bowl a wholesome, nourishing finish. By adding these beautiful vegetables, dumplings and tofu, we're turning this into a more balanced and satisfying meal. The fiber and protein from the veggies and tofu help slow digestion, keeping you fuller for longer and making it easier on your blood sugar than just eating noodles on their own. To finish, we are topping it off with some scallion greens and fresh bean sprouts for crunch. And that's it. The coziest, most satisfying bowl of ramen you could ever dream of. It's steamy, flavorful, and every bite is a little escape from the grey skies outside. Packed with nourishing veggies, silky tofu, and that bold broth, it's comfort food with a little extra love. Perfect for rainy days, slow evenings, or just when your soul needs something warm and slurp-worthy. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go enjoy this bowl now. See ya lovelies, bye bye.